Here's I'll show you how to easily insert anything into shape in Photoshop. In this tool panel, I'm selecting a shape first of all. So here I'm selecting this triangle tool and just drawing a triangle shape first of all. Okay, once you successfully added the shape, you can just disable the shape field. You can disable stroke, or if you want, you can add a stroke for the shape from here, just like this. Now let's see how to add a image inside of the shape. All you have to need, hold down the Alt key and then click on this icon to select your shape. After that, open the image, which image you want to insert into the shape. Unlock the image layer and press Ctrl C to copy the image. Now go back to your project and go to edit. Click on paste spatial. Here just click on paste into, and your image will paste into the shape. Now to adjust your image, press Ctrl T and zoom out your project. And now go ahead and easily you can adjust your image according to your choice. Then just tap on done, and that's how you can actually put anything in a shape.